is better than smart work. Means both are not different. Smart work is a part of hard work. According to me, if we learn anything and we understand anything at that time, we need a lot of smart work and hard work. So that's why we choose both. If we learn and if we understand anything at that time, we thought that how can we understand this thing. Many times we do hard work for it because we understand this thing, and many times we use a tricky formula. Means many times we use tree method and also a lot of things practice. So at that time we use our smart work. You also know this thing, hard work takes a lot of time, but smart work take a bit time and it save our time. Yeah, but in my opinion, hard work is best for us. Without doing hard work, we success. We success. Many times people do smart work and they get success, but they don't have a value of that thing.
And you know that they don't have a lot of knowledge about it, because if any person do hard work, then he get a lot of knowledge about it. And after that, when he join that place which he want to achieve, and after that he serve there very well. But that person who do only smart work, he is not serve there properly.
So tell me which difference makes smart work very usual and pupils like much smart work.
Now in present time means no one want to do hard work, everyone want to do smart work. No one want means everyone want to do smart work, and everyone want to save his time. And people think that if I do hard work, then my time is also waste. And that's why they find the tricks to do any work in a short time. And you know that without a hard work, without doing hard work, we can't understand smart work. If we do hard work, then we find the tricks about smart works, and it is that tricks is useful for our whole life.
According to your opinion, hard work is necessary for all type of works, or for only education?
I think that all types of work.
So tell me which works we need a hard work.
I think that if any person want to do means any work, just like he want to crack any exam and he want to start any business, then he do hard work, and after that means when he have a bit knowledge about it, then he find some tricks about it, and after that he start both works in that place.
So you tell me, means in past time the use of smart work is much or present time?
I think that in present time, because past time people do a lot of hard work, but now present time I think every work is done by machines, so that's why people do smart work more.
You know this thing means in past time we don't know what is LED and what is bulb. In first time we invented a bulb. Before this we don't know about how the electricity light bulb and how can we use it. But from they invented bulb, and after they increases their facilities in that, means they made a tube light LED, and now we use LED. So you tell me which difference between in this bulb?
I think that means you know that past time people they use water lamps, and in present time we use tube lights, LED bulbs, and also situated, and at evening time though that person switch on the whole light. They think that if I switch on the whole light, then I saw properly. But in past time they use earthen lamps, and while earthen lamp they saw properly, and here the eyes is too strong for watching anything easily. And but now people, you saw that many people use glasses.
Yeah. So due to these things, we know this thing very well. Many times we thought that in future time, everyone takes spectacles. You know this thing means now at today's condition increases much. Means people have a problem from their eyes. In past time, people do a well work, and they don't know about much facilities, and they don't depend on much facilities. That's why they do hard work for everything. After they eat good things which are not affected by medicines. In past time, people don't fall ill much. You know this thing very well. That's why the facilities increase, and our diseases is also increased by that.
Yeah, because of means now in present time which vegetable we use, it is means people said it is fresh, but in my opinion it is not fresh, because that person who fertile it means they add in that a lot of medicines, and after that they grow up, and it is not good for our health. But in past time people means in every house they make a little garden, and in that garden they grow up the vegetable, and that vegetable they use it. And yeah, and it is very very good for their health. And you know that in past time people they don't know what is fast food. They don't means some people are know, but not a lot of people know about it, and they don't eat it. And now you saw that this might be used. It is also a part of smart hub.
Yeah, this is made from by the scientists and people who increase these things. Means I also tell the example of bulb and LED. In past time, who invented bulb? They use it also before. But now, if someone said you study about it, then it's too difficult for us. They invented, but we don't pay attention on this thing. If we ask here anyone, can you tell which metal the wire is used in bulb? Then mostly people are don't know. You know this thing because also some people are past 10th and 12th, and this thing also tell in 6th or 7th class. But we thought that if someone do this, then what the use of learning it?
And we have the facility about it. Then what's the use we know about it, because we use it. And there is no need to study about it, because it is also in present time. And those people who make it in factories, they also know about that what metal is used. And then the normal people think that what's the use that I study about it and I waste my time.
In bulb, bulb absorbs a lot of electricity, means than a LED. So that's why it's our responsibility to, if we uses a bulb in a use quantity from past time, then it contains a lot of electricity by it. So we thought that if we don't change in anything, then this is happen.
Yeah, and now you know that means people think that if I save anything, means they don't want to save anything. Just like electricity, they don't want to save it. Means it is his compulsion that they save it, because if they use a lot of electricity, then they pay a lot of bill, and it is his compulsion. If the government said that electricity then everyone use it a lot and also waste it.
So you tell me we use social media for our works. It is smart work or hard work?
I think that it is smart work, and we use it for our works and also for our entertainment. Means if we don't know about anything, then we search on Google and YouTube. Then we know about the knowledge. Means what that thing, and if we want to visit any place, then we also search on it and we collect the information about it. And it is a smart work that we save our time and we collect a lot of knowledge about that thing, and also our time is saved.
In your opinion, which work contains which type of work? Means hard work. I tell means hard work consists of physical work, and smart work only contains mental work.
No. It is not contains only mental work. Means first we invest there our physical work, and after that means both are important for doing any work. If anyone want to do smart work, then first he also do physical work, and after that he do mental work. Means if anyone want to do hard work in any place, then first he use smart work, and after that he do hard work. Means just like take an example of any type of business. Means first he think about it, and after that he start it.
Can you tell me for farmers which type of works increase? Means which type of facilities they get from in past time and present time?
I think that they also do hard work, but now the smart work is also they use. Means for their crops, they use a lot of smart works. Just like you saw that animals destroyed their crops, then they think about it and they find ideas for doing something. Then at that time they use smart work, and for watering their plants they also use smart work, and also at the medicine, and at that time they also use smart work for adding the medicine, because they use the electric machine, and this is called smart work.
Means in past time people lost their fields by the animals and their self, but now they have facility of tractor and cultivate things which is useful for that. Nowadays you watch this thing in past time people cut their harvest by themselves, but now the harvest cut by machines, many machines which is very useful for farmers.
You saw that many people are in present time, all people depend on only machines. Means we don't say that if that means people said that farmer do a lot of hard work. Yeah, it is right, but now in present time farmer is also depend on other machines. If they want to cut the crops, then they call they call any person that who have the machine, and they cut it by it. And they don't use labor, and don't cut it by himself.
Means also in some cases they use labor and also they work on fields.
But in only some cases, not a lot of cases.
So you tell me which cases?
Just like when means people first when a wheat grow up, then they call the labor for cut it, and also and that is they use it and they cut their crops properly. But because of that, many things are waste in that use.
This thing combined is not everywhere. Means mostly in my place, every people cut down their weeds and crops by the labor, and also mine.
Yeah, it is also means my crops are also cut by the labor, but means I saw a lot of people. They don't want to do hard work. Means they don't want to do hard work and they don't want to give money to the labor. And they think that if I give this money to labor, then I need to full the means then I need to full the bags and after that I load it on trolleys and then they think that if I want to save my money, then they call the combine and after that it is collected in their trolley and they also take it at his home easily.
Can you tell me, employees do hard work or boss, means who is the owner of company that do hard work?
Means I think that both person do hard work because if the boss who is not think about that what is the profit and in which way we get loss, then the employees are not doing any work. If means if the boss only think that in this way I get profit and in this way I get loss and their employee are not doing work, then it is not good. Means the boss is not doing anything. But if the employee are hard working, they want to do hard work, but the boss is useless, then in both conditions they get loss. But if both want to do hard work and both want to achieve success, then it is means after that they get a good achievement.
Any question? Can you tell me the advantage of hard working? Benefit of hard working.
If we do hard work, then we get success. If we don't do hard work, then we get any type of success. So hard work is important for everyone. So you know who do hard work means who do hard work, village people and city people.
In my opinion, the people of Blaze do hard work. You also live in Blaze and you also watch out these things. Those people who live in city, they don't have a much works like a Blaze people. Means in the Blaze people also contains buffaloes, cows, and goats and many things. And they also have a work of their fields and many things. But and those people who live in Blaze and means many people who do jobs from blazes, like many people who also live in our Blaze, they go outside and also do the works of their fields and their homeworks, many things, not student homeworks, means their own works, which is necessary for their. But in cities, they don't have this type of work. They don't need to go in fields and they don't contain. Every people contains a buffalo, cow, or anything. So according to me, they have a work of their business. Many people who is in a high post, they do only a mentally work. They want to, and they don't want to do physical work. So that's why the Blaze people do hard work.
how can we use smart work in study? Means
we can use smart work in study when we take examination, then before some time we don't study very well, then we use it, and in a math paper we use it a lot. If we don't know about that question, then we use smart work, and we can write something in exam copy about that question.
you know this thing. Smart work also involves the hard work.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Smart work is a part of hard work. If we don't do hard work, and we can't think a lot. If we do much hard work, then our mind is sharp. So we can say that smart work is a part of hard work.
So according to you, who do hard work, girls and boys?
I think, in my opinion, both are do hard work in their ways, because both have many responsibility. So both are do hard work.
Means tomorrow you know that Rudra asked this question, and he said that he asked to Rajat Bhaiya that who is do hard work, a girl and a boy. He said that if a girl open any shop, then people said that girl is very hard working, and if in that way a boy is open any shop, then the people said that he is useless, he don't do anything in his life.
It's a Rudra mentality. What he think?
Means I think that his street people think about him that's why he said that if a boy and do any business, then people said that he is useless.
Means he said this thing. You know this thing. If a boy open any shop, then mostly their family people give money for it. Not he earn after they open any shop. But if a girl open any shop, then he open on by their own money, not to depend on anyone. That's why every people said that the girls do hard work.
And you know that it is also depend on the respect. Means if you make your respect in that area, then every people thinks that that person is very good, and if he do any business, then he take ahead that business. But if your reputation is down, and you want to do any work, then everyone said that his reputation is also down, and we know all about that person. Then no one want to come on your job. Means that person's job. It doesn't matter. It is girl and boy. It doesn't matter about it.
You know this thing, girls have a much capability of tolerance anything, but boys don't have a much capability of much tolerance. So that's why the behavior of girls is too good. So everyone want to go on their shops. That's why
You know that means every girls have it. This that if she want to purchase anything, then she open a lot of things, and after that she choose one thing. It is every girl's mentality. And but if she go to the shop of any boy, then they become anger, means anger early. But if she go to the shop of any other girl, then she show them a lot of pieces about it.
you know some girls are also have a short temper.
Yeah.
Means if someone said a word, then they get a much anger. Then that girls also give, if someone mischief and misbehave on that, then they give a very good way answer. So this is right.
I think that every girl have means every girl have this type of attitude. Means if anyone said to you any wrong word, then you have a capability to give them answer. Means I think that if you give them answer in that way, means those person realize his mistake, and he don't get angry, and he also realize his mistake.
Both are contain this type of behavior. So we don't go on any type of behavior. We come on our topic.
So your opinion, hard work best and